Welcome, and a very good morning to all of you guys. You might be wondering why am I talking so casually? Where is the setup and where is the formality? But let me tell you that you can expect my next few videos in this casual format only, at least the opening. So, without any further ado, let's get started. My name is AK, and welcome to my video update of ninth and 10th week experience.
Okay, young ain't taking no breaks. मुझे ये कैसे रोके? अभी भी पहले जो थे, इकलौता लड़का घर का जिम्मेदारी है कंधों पे.
In the ninth week, there were two lectures on functions. Functions, my personal favorite data type, because it can perform any kind of task, whether it is creating something, manipulating something, or destroying something. On the following next week, we learned about object methods. Now, object methods is something that comes with combined power of objects and methods, which makes it little trickier and even more interesting to study. And when I talk about the assignments of object methods, then since there we need to work on objects as well as the functions inside that, so it makes it way more trickier and more interesting at the very same time. In the next week, the last lecture was on higher order functions. Yes, and higher order functions are functions that takes one another functions as a parameter or return another function as a return value. Now, why am I giving the definition? Everybody knows that. So the assignments related to higher order functions are still fresh in my mind, because those assignments are something which we do it every day. I mean, higher order functions are used every day. At least I use it whenever I go and solve some assignment or solve some DSA problems on lead code and other platforms. Then came the 15th August, the Independence Day, and our EC announced a holiday on that day. But parallelly, what she did is she introduced us with another initiative, we can say, a positive initiative, and that was 10-minute English fluency challenge. And in that challenge, the students are supposed to prepare a speech and present it in front of mirror by watching themselves presenting live. And the main motive of this was to create a self-confidence and build some self-esteem, because you are watching yourself speaking in front of a mirror, so you're watching yourself, so it will build self-confidence. And parallelly, what it does, it basically, I mean, a student, when a person speak in front of the mirror, he can see himself, whatever mistakes he is performing. So while doing this activity, you can also guess or see the live feedback. I mean, you can give yourself a light feedback, like your hand is not moving correctly, you're not in a good posture, and your voice tone, obviously you can hear. So you can give yourself the live feedback and work on the improvement, I mean, on the areas of improvements. So I was very excited to perform this, and I did it with 110% dedication, but for 2 days only. Now let's talk about my experience. So through these 2 weeks, I didn't find anything that was new out of my knowledge, because I was studying all those. I have studied all those things before that course already, so that was not new. But when I talk about the HOF, then that was something which little challenged me. I mean, that was a little challengeful for me, because the assignments related to that was little out of my league, out of my circle. So those things really challenged me a lot, but over the time I managed all the things and I completed all the assignments. Now if I had to talk about the assignments, then I literally slayed through all the assignments. I mean, the assignments never looked more than a cupcake for me. If I had to show you the assignment submission, then the nature lovers out there would be very happy, because it's all green. And lastly, I want to confess that I didn't attended the IA session till now, because I believe that IA sessions are good, it is very beneficial, but I believe that IA sessions are for those students who have some queries or who have some questions in their mind, so that they can ask the IAs. But fortunately, I am enough comfortable with the current topic, so I didn't attended those things. Instead of that, I worked parallelly on some projects to sharpen my skills, and I was practicing solving some problems on lead code as well. And out of the subjects or out of the course, I literally enjoyed joining or connecting with other batchmates, because I love to connect. And parallelly, I was also sharing my YouTube content with other batchmates, and they also liked it. Some of them really appreciated me for doing my YouTube along with the courses, along with the assignments. So it was pretty uh, good to hear some encouraging words from them. And if you want, you can also connect with me on my LinkedIn, on my Gmail, and I will drop my LinkedIn and Gmail, and as well as the phone number on the description, so that you can connect with me. And you can also share your thoughts and views on the comment section as well. And with this, another beautiful and comfortable week ended. I'll meet you guys in the next video and with some interesting news as well. And till then, it's AK signing off.
फक नहीं लेता कश और रहता बादलों में मेरा फील तो ताकिल हूँ मैं बजे भी तो कातिल हूँ मैं अनअपोलोजेटिक ना किसी से माफी लूँ मैं